Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we take a calm, process-focused look at how criminal cases are resolved. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Today's case involves Winona Ryder and a misdemeanor theft prosecution that illustrates how retail theft laws are applied, even in high-profile circumstances. According to court records, the case arose in 2001 after Ryder was detained at a Beverly Hills department store. Store security alleged that merchandise had been taken without payment, and law enforcement later recovered items connected to the incident. One key fact was the scope of the charges. Prosecutors did not rely on celebrity status or public attention, but on standard retail theft statutes. The jury was asked to determine whether Ryder intentionally removed merchandise without paying based on store surveillance, witness testimony, and recovered property. A second important issue involved intent. The defense argued that there was no criminal intent to steal, while the prosecution focused on actions and evidence that, in their view, demonstrated knowing possession of unpaid items. As in many theft cases, intent was central to the jury's evaluation. A third factor was the role of evidence handling. Jurors heard testimony from store employees and examined physical and documentary evidence to assess credibility and consistency, rather than relying on reputation or public perception. In 2002, the jury convicted Ryder of misdemeanor shoplifting and related charges. The court sentenced her to probation, community service, fines, and counseling requirements, bringing the criminal case to a procedural conclusion without incarceration. One clear legal lesson from this case is that criminal liability depends on conduct and proof, not status. Courts apply the same legal standards to theft offenses, regardless of a defendant's public profile. How should intent be evaluated in nonviolent property crimes? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, factual explanations of criminal cases, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.